roads were pretty much shared by everyone in Laos. As you can see, it's the first perfect example coming up on your left here. Just happy out, plodding down the road. Guys, the perfect example here. This is the main road in the village, and this just carried on over and over through all the villages. Massive potholes in each one. Just fascinating. Always a reminder to look up, take a peek at the scenery every now and again, but then straight back to scanning for potholes. Here is a perfect example of how a lot of the overtakes went in Laos. You have a pothole right before a truck leading into a road full of brake fluid, and then accelerate straight back out of it, up the hill. Quick peek at the scenery, and then you'll just look, just on the right here, you'll see a bunch of cows hidden in under the bush. Just always got to be looking where you're going. As you'll see here on the right, just as I overtake, that's our luggage van, bringing all our supplies with us. There's actually two of them, the other one in front of us there. So every evening by the time we got to the hotel, the luggage was there, the guys were there if the bikes needed any servicing or any support. So great that we didn't have to carry any equipment on our bikes with us.